Hi, everybody. I'm Greg Fishel, and ran into some colleagues earlier this evening, so a little bit later getting this out than I thought I would. But basically, nothing has changed. The rapid intensification of Helene has not commenced yet. It's slowly intensifying, but it isn't exploding yet. And the reconnaissance aircraft report around 11 o'clock this evening indicated that the inner core, right around the eye wall, is still not quite what it needs to be in order for this thing to really take off. And we can always hope that that continues to be the case, because while I came down here to experience something I've never experienced before, I still obviously don't want this to turn into a catastrophe where, there's tremendous amounts of loss of life and property. I think, you can experience things you've never experienced before without it getting to an extreme. And I guess that's what I'm hoping for, is that this is, a happy medium where people can take appropriate actions to protect their life and property and get through it without it becoming the type of situation where even the best efforts can't do that. So I certainly don't want to see that happen. But we're still looking at an acceleration across the eastern Gulf of Mexico, and probably a landfall right around sunset, early tomorrow evening sometime, right in that Big Bend area of Florida. And then the storm will weaken considerably from a wind standpoint as it moves inland, but the wind field is so large that there are probably going to be pretty significant winds well inland from this storm before it finally weakens enough so that we don't have to worry about that. And that'll probably take until sometime on Friday morning. So that's really about it for now as far as North Carolina goes. Again, the worst rains in terms of potential flooding and that type of thing will be in our mountains. There will be, some inches of rain, probably, 2 to 4 is what I mentioned before, with lighter amounts to the east, heavier to the west. And that would be most likely as we head into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night and on into Friday. And then things should still be a little bit unsettled over the weekend. Saturday may be okay, but Sunday a little bit unsettled, but nothing like what we're going to see later tomorrow and on into Friday. So we just continue to rack up these incredible rainfall totals. Anything we get from this point forward is going to be gravy in terms of normal annual rainfall, because we're already past that, and we still have way more than 90 days to go in this year. So pretty amazing stat there, and we're only going to be adding to it between now and December 31st at midnight. So we'll have another more complete update, hopefully with some graphics for you tomorrow morning, and let you know what the latest is on Helene, and we will go from there. So if you're still up, I hope you get to bed soon, as I plan to, and we'll talk to you all first thing in the morning and let you know what's going on then. So you all take care, folks. We'll talk to you soon. See you later.